Hello there. Why is Daddy's little angel? You little devil. Who will bring Daddy views? You will bring Daddy views. By the way, he's really, really small. Like my hand. She's a little devil. He just get a bath, so he's still a little wet. She didn't like the I don't know how you call that fucking device. She's asleep. I mean he's a boy. You will bring Daddy easy views, right? Everyone likes pets on the internet, right? I call him Rat because he's really small. But my dad calls him Tuf Tuf because he has that Tuf Tuf voice. Because he's small. Always afraid, always angry. A cat terminator. Are you sleepy? Sleep. This is first time he got a bed. He is still young, but he will not grow too much bigger from this point. So he's just a small little doggy boggy. He's also breed between pure anger and hate. So he now looks really calm. Don't look at me with that eyes. I know you want to kill me right now because I give you a bet, but it was necessary. Sorry. Don't kill me. Don't snap the gauntlet. Say hi to YouTube. He's looking into the camera.